Hi, this is Hayden from Connect and welcome to another one of my Power BI tutorial videos. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage the way that the visuals interact with each other in Power BI. Sometimes when you click on visuals it can refilter other visuals and you can change how that interaction works. Also, if you wanted to do a comparison of data on the same page, you might not want a particular slicer to filter other reports and visuals. So I'm going to give you a couple of examples. First of all, I'm going to move to this jewelry dashboard that I've created. It's all with test data. And what I've got here is edit interactions. So once you select a visual, the format tool here provides this edit interactions option. So once I click on that, you can see that these different events appear here. So as I've selected on this visual, what will happen here is it will show me how each of these visuals will interact. So for example, if I select none and I select a filter here, this filter doesn't change at all. However, if I select highlight, again it will show you exactly what we showed you in the demo. It means nothing to me, that little bit of information there. I'll probably want to see that. So if I select filter, what it will do, it will generate a filter. So if now I select on the old date, it will show me that most of my volume came from Facebook and Etsy. So that's how you can change the way that the visuals interact with each other, and very similar here. If I now select this visual and how I want this visual to interact, again I've got the same options just here. So that's a very quick overview of how to do the interactions on this one. The next one I want to show you is, this is a dashboard I've created that shows football results. So what I have here, I have a filter slicer that shows me the team. If I select this one here, this shows me the team as well. And as you can see, I've got the edit interactions highlighted already. So what I want to do is give you a quick example. So if I show you this, how do I build that in? So if I select team and copy that and drag that over here, if I wanted to select another team, I can't. So what I first want to do is make sure that when I select this visual, no filter happens here. And same with whether I want to choose whether it's a home or away game of these Premier League fixtures results. When I select this filter, I don't want this to be updated. Same here, none and none. So now I have the ability to select other teams. So what I do want to do is I just want to copy some of this data across here just to give you an example. So if I copy that table, that table here is filtered. So if I change this filter here to another team, all of these visuals have their data removed. So again, simply selecting on this here, I don't want to interact with any of the visuals on this side, so I remove this here. And there you go. And I'll have to do the same for this side. When I select this visual, this slicer, I don't want it to impact this one. And that's how you manage your interactions. Very simple, very straightforward, and a really powerful tool to help you get the most of your dashboard. And thanks for listening and watching. Goodbye.